In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs to Wix website. We'll walk through a clear, simple process so you can organize content into neat sections visitors can switch between without leaving the page. This is great for FAQs, product details, services, or any content that benefits from being grouped. Start in the Wix editor on the page where you want tabs. Open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon on the left. This is where Wix keeps all the elements you can place on a page. From there, choose the box category. In many editor versions, tabs are grouped here as a ready-made element, so selecting box will reveal designs that include tab layouts. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for the section labeled tabs within the Add panel. Next, click Tabs. You'll see a variety of tab styles, from simple text tabs to designs with icons and backgrounds. Pick a style that matches your site's look and feel. You can always fine-tune colors, fonts, and spacing later, so focus on the overall structure you want. Once selected, the tabs will appear on your canvas. Drag them into place and use the alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Now, edit the text in the tabs. Click a tab label to rename it and make it descriptive. Keep labels short and consistent, like Overview, Features, and Pricing, so visitors can scan them quickly. Then, update the content area beneath the tabs with the information that belongs to each section. Be mindful of length. Long paragraphs can make a tab feel heavy, so break content into smaller chunks where possible. With a tab selected, open the Manage Tabs panel. This is the control center for your tab set. Here, you can change tab names, confirm which content area belongs to each tab, and adjust settings. If you want a different order, simply drag the tabs within this panel to rearrange them. The first tab in the list will be the default one that opens for your visitors. If you need more sections, click Add Tab in the same panel. A new tab appears with its own content area ready to customize. Add only what you need. Too many tabs can overwhelm visitors and make important information harder to find. Aim for clarity and balance. That's the process. You've added tabs, customized their labels and content, managed their order, and created additional tabs where needed. Keep your design consistent, ensure good color contrast for readability, and use concise text so each tab feels quick and useful. With these tabs in place, your page will be cleaner, more organized, and easier to navigate.